Want to watch NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV? Here's how to do it step by step. First, make sure you have an active NFL Sunday Ticket subscription added to your YouTube TV account. If not, open YouTube TV, go to Settings, select Membership, and add NFL Sunday Ticket to your plan. Once subscribed, open YouTube TV on your phone, smart TV, or browser, then sign in. On game day, go to Live tab or use the search bar to find your team or game. Look for NFL Sunday Ticket badge, then click to watch. You can use multi-view to watch up to 4 games at once or switch between games anytime. If you cannot access a game, check that you're signed in with the correct account, your app is updated, and your internet is stable. Once set up, you'll be able to enjoy every Sunday afternoon out-of-market game directly on YouTube TV. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.